Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to continue the explanation of the chapter on the face of it, part 5. Actually, this is the drama and it's the longest chapter of your book. So it will take two more classes, 2 or 3, in order to complete this. So this is the fifth explanation I am giving you about this chapter. So we could see in this drama that everything is going to take place in the garden of Mr. Lamb, and Mr. Lamb is trying to just improve, modify, okay, and rectify the negativity of Derry, who was having very much low opinion about himself. So I'm continuing with page number 61. Derry, I don't like being near people. Why they stare when I see them being afraid of me? Uh, According to Derry, he is having very low opinion about his, looks, about his appearance. Uh, he thinks that people look at me and they become afraid because of my ugly look. So his question is, why do they look at me? See the reply of Mr. Lamb. You could lock yourself up in a room and never leave it. Means isolation is the only way you can just remove this kind of problem that you encounter and face in your daily life. There was a man, now he's telling one story. This may be one short question. There was a man who did that. He was afraid, you see, of everything. Everything in this world. A bus might run him over, or a man might breathe deadly germs onto him, or a donkey might kick him to death. Means this was the things, okay, he was afraid of. Means he was totally frightened, a kind of coward man he was, according to Mr. Lamb. He's telling one, very fictional story, very uh, a kind of a story that he has, made himself in order to teach Master Dairy. Or lightning might strike him down, or he might love a girl, and the girl would leave him, and he might slip on a banana skin and fall, and people who saw him would laugh their heads off. Means this was his fear, and because of that, he always keep himself inside the house, inside his room, because he did not want to die, and he was always frightened coming out of his house. He thought that I may die because of these references is giving. He may fall, he may die due to the lightning or everything. So he went into this into his room and locked the door and got into his bed and stayed there. Means he just started living in the bedroom, in his bedroom. So what happens next, you please see. Mr. Derry, Master Derry, forever. Mr. Lamb, for a while. Derry, then what? Mr. Lamb, a picture fell off the wall onto his head and killed him. He is telling that how he was killed. Now see, this was the misfortune of the man who was always frightened to coming out of his house or bedroom because of the fear of death. Means he was totally frightened. And what happened? His death comes by the falling of a picture. So he is telling that we should not frighten. If something wrong is going to happen, it will definitely or certainly will happen. So what should we do? We should be very much conscious, alert and concerned about everything. Mr. Lamb, Derry laughs a lot. Miss Derry start laughing because of the innocent nature of the man in the story just now narrated by Mr. Lamb. Mr. Lamb, you see, Derry, but you still say peculiar things. Peculiar things means very strange things. Means now he was taking interest in Mr. Lamb's story. Mr. Lamb, peculiar to some means the things I am telling you, it may be strange for some. Dairy, what do you do all day? Now is taking interest and wanted to know the daily routine of Mr. Lamb. Mr. Lamb, sit in the sun, read books. Ah, you thought it was an empty house, but inside it's a full books and other things full. Means he is telling that you think that this house is empty, but it is not like that. The house is completely full of, okay, with books and many other things. Dairy, but there are not any curtains at the windows. So he is telling, he is just talking about the curtains and everything, that there is no curtain in the uh, at the windows. Mr. Lamb, I am not fond of curtains, shutting things out, shutting things in. I like the light and the darkness and the windows open to hear the wind. Mr. Lamb was very much frank, friendly, okay, and that's why he wanted to just mix up with anyone, okay, and with everyone, and that's why even he does not keep or hang curtain on his windows. So this shows his friendly nature. At the same time, welcome to all in his house, in his garden, and even the garden gate is also open all the time. Dairy, yes, I like that. When it is raining, I like to hear it on the roof. Means he wanted to see the beauty of the nature and wanted to enjoy the falling of the rain. And on that time, he wanted to be uh, he on the roof and hear the falling of the raindrops. Dairy, sorry, Mr. Lamb. So you are not lost, are you? Not altogether. You do hear things, you listen. Means narrator here, Mr. Lamb is telling that you have ears. Okay, now you are not totally lost. A lost is one who is just thinking about himself on all the time, of his negativity. If one listens about the situations and surrounding and society and the people around him, they are not lost people. They compare and contrast themselves, they motivate themselves, they encourage themselves. It means they are not lost. This is the observation of Mr. Lamb. They talk about me downstairs when I am not there. This is the low opinion about himself. He thinks that the people always criticize my appearance and bad look, okay, ugly appearance. What will he ever do? What's going to happen to him when we have gone? However, will he get on in this world looking like that with that on his face? That's what they say. Means this was his observation about the people. He just narrates that how people talk about him, how they just pass their comments upon me, okay, not before me, but among themselves, among their friend circles, and just between them, just they talk about my ugly looks, and that makes me completely unhappy. Mr. Lamb, Lord, why you have got two arms, two legs, and eyes and ears, you have got a tongue and a brain, you will get on the way you want, like all the rest. And if you choose and set your mind to it, you could get on better than all the rest. Now, this is the very motivational sentence, encouragement. Here, he is giving reference of, oh my God, like Lord, kind of lamentation. He is telling that he is motivating that you have got two arms. This shows the equality of all humanity. Two legs against the equality of all human being, and eyes and ears means similar things are there. You have got a tongue and a brain. You will get on the way you want, like all the rest. And if you choose and set your mind to it, you could get on better than all the rest. Now, actually, the narrator has tried to compare all the children, all the people of the world equal. So he is telling that they have similar, tongue, similar eyes, same nose, same ear, same hand, same legs, okay, and same brain. So the way they just put on in the work, engage themselves, so the results is before them. When you see the uh, index of, you know, life, good life, index of good life. So we Indians, we accept, you know, some metro cities and city life, the village life is not very good, okay, and even the slums we have in Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, and some other parts, even in Patna. So the life is completely miserable, and you know, the people who are in politics, the people who are in business, the people who are elite and economically well balanced, they don't want to think about the people, okay, who are very weak economically or financially. So he is telling that this is the element of their brain. He is talking about that why the other country people are very much rich, very much, you know, advanced, very much educated, and very much well. So, and why you are not? So indirectly, he is trying to install a sense of, you know, optimism in the mind of Derry, that you can do anything you want. No, this is the this is the things, okay, he wanted to just install in his mind, that you are matchless one, okay, and you are the creation of, you know, God, and you have some unique features. So this was the way of encouragement, and at the same time, the narrator wanted that Mr. Lamb just tell him, Terry, that no one is by birth intelligent. It is a work. It is the way. Okay, it is the selection of their, you know, paths. It was the selection of their, you know, ideals. It was the selection of their lifestyle. It was the selection of their opinions about life that makes them good or bad in their life. So the selection of good ideas, okay, is very much important. Keeping your brain clean is very much important. Keeping positive thoughts in your mind is very much important. Having very optimistic approach towards life and towards everything is very much important. Those who are bad, according to him, they only see bad things around the society, in the society, and among the people. And those who are good one, they only see good things in the society, okay, around him and among the people. So this is the things we will have to install in the mind. So this is the critical explanation about the society, about the people, by Mr. Lamb, in order to enhance the intellect level of Derry, who was very young at the age of 14. Derry, how? Means he was asking to how I can just improve myself. Mr. Lamb, same way as I do, means the way I am doing. Derry, do you have any friends? Mr. Lamb, hundreds. Derry, but you live by yourself in the house, means you live alone here. It's a big house too, and it's obviously big house. Friends everywhere, people come in, everybody knows me. The gates always open. They come and sit here, and in front of the fire in winter, kids come for the apples and pears. These are the fruits. And for toffees, I make toffee with honey. Anybody comes, so have you. Means just as you have come here, anybody, you know, comes in this garden or in my house, everyone is welcome there. So this may be a question. From here we can get some points about the character of, you know, Mr. Lamb. It may be one question: how did Mr. Lamb pass his time? So this was he was extracting honeybee from honeybee, okay, and making chocolates. He was plucking, you know, uh, crab apples and making jelly, and he was welcoming everyone. He was not having complaint to anyone. So this was his nature. This was his very positive nature. Derry, but I am not a friend. Now see the even the friend, the word he has defined in different way. Mr. Lamb, certainly you are. So far as I am concerned, what have you done to make me think you are not? Miss Mr. Lamb wanted to know that why do you think that I am not your friend? Derry, you don't know me. You don't know where I come from or even what my name is. So these are the parameters according to Derry to be a friend to anyone. Mr. Lamb, why should that signify? Do I have to write all your particulars down and put them in a filling box before you can be a friend? This was the observation. That means I should know everything, every bit of you, and just write down on paper, piece of paper, and just uh, keep it in a box, and then you will be my friend. Derry, I suppose not. No, Mr. Lamb, you could tell me your name if you choose, and not if you did not. Derry, only it's Derek. Means now he's telling first time his name, Derek. But I hate that, Derry. If I am your friend, you don't have to be mine. I choose that. Mr. Lamb, certainly, Derry. I might never come here again. You might never see me again. And then I could not still be a friend. Now he's telling that I don't think I will come back once again to see you. And then our the friendship that you are going to propose, okay, to have between us. So that's not going to be there between us. Means he is telling that after leaving this garden, I am not supposed to come back once again to see you and talk with you in your garden. So there is no sense of making friendship with you. Mr. Lamb, why not? Means why don't you want to come here, okay, in this garden? And Derry, how could I? Means how could I come here? You pass people in the street and you might even speak to them, but you never see them again. It doesn't mean they are friends. He's telling that you always, visit on a railway station, airport, marketplace, okay, or the streets or the paths or the roads or highway, and they just see you, you see them, you have a casual, conversation, and then they just leave you and you leave them. So this is not the friendship, Mr. Lamb. Don't mean they are enemies either, does it? Means if they are not friend of the marketplace people, of the railway station people, or the travelers, or the highway travelers, or anyone, if they are not friends, that they are not enemy as well. Derry, no, they are just nothing people. That's all. Means he was just covering up. Okay, he was very much confused and stuck in the his ideas that they are not my friend. So friends opposite is enemy. So he's telling that if they are not your friend, so are they your enemy? So he's telling no, 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 not like that, Mr. Lamb. People are never just nothing. Never means people are nothing in themselves. Derry, they are some people I hate. There are some people I hate, and whom he hate, you see. Mr. Lamb, that's do you more harm than any bottle of acid. Acid only burns your face. So this is a very remarkable statement. Okay, we have in myths, चिता and चिंता. चिता जो होती है, चिता actually that burns the dead body, but chinta means stress burns the live body. Okay, so he is telling that having low opinion about yourself, having a very negative approach of life, having very critical approach, okay, and criticizing nature about the society and the people will always harm you, not the people. Okay, so see the reference here. That's do your more harm than any but bottle of acid. Acid only burns your face, but ill will, okay, negative thoughts, low opinion will just burn yourself. Means it will do more damage than the acid. What is that? Irritation, annoyance, angry, low opinion, okay, enmity, Derry, only, Mr. Lamb, like a bomb, only blew up my leg. There is worse things can happen. You can burn yourself away inside. Means he's telling that if I am very much upset, very much angry, I may commit suicide. Burn yourself means commit suicide. So recently we have seen Sushant Singh Rajput committed suicide. Means he was a well-known, actor at the age of 34. 34. What happened with him? He just committed suicide. So it was because of his, low opinion about himself. It was his negative thoughts. Okay, it was his, critical thinking, very negative critical thinking, or very pessimistic approach towards life that made him to think that I should end up my life. Okay, so these things he wanted to remove. Generally, the children who did not score good marks in class 10th board and 12th board and JE or PMT or anyone, anywhere. So generally, we can see that some students just commit suicide. So why this happen? Because they have a very, they develop a sense of, low opinion about themselves. They become very pessimistic. They become very negative towards life. And these all things Mr. Lamb wanted to remove from the personality of, Derry. And that is the critical explanation. Okay, that we will have to write points. Okay, in the answer also if questions are coming related to this. So positivity is very much important. Okay, optimistic is very much important. Having good opinion about yourself, having good opinion about, about the people around you is very much important. Think, if a person irritates you, how it will help you? It will help you nowhere. The person whom you don't like, what will happen when he will come before you? You will just become upset. So your upsetting nature will harm you more, okay, than anything else. So he is telling that he just try to remove all the negative thoughts, okay, about the people, okay, around him, around you. And the people who criticize you, just don't think about that. Just remove all these, bad words, okay, negative words from your dictionary, from your software of brain. Okay, this is the things he said here. After after I would come home, one person said he had have, okay, been better off stopping in there. In the hospital, he would be better off with others like himself. See, things blind people only ought to be with other blind people and idiot boys with idiot boys. Now these are the criticism. These are, uh, very bad comments, okay, he receives in the society. And the people always criticize his appearance, Mr. Lamb. And people with no legs altogether. Derry, that's right, Mr. Lamb. What kind of a world would that be? Derry, at least there would be nobody to stare at you because you are not like them. Here it is the remarks of the people that was completely installed in the mind of, Derry. And he was unable to uninstall. Okay, he was unable to remove, he was unable to, delete that thoughts that was inside in his mind. He was thinking that means the people, he was thinking that people are just criticizing my appearance, and they are just telling that means those who are the burnt face, okay, they should live with the burnt face people, and those who are ugly, they should live with the ugly people. So he is telling that this world is very colorful, and all sort of colorful, people live here. Some are white, some are black, some are in between black and white. Okay, some are very long, some are very short, some are in between very long and short. So he's telling that we are different sort of flowers, and all the flowers, all the fruits have equal importance in it. Okay, how can we say that mango is better than apple and apple is better than mango? Mango is having its own importance, and apple is having its own importance. How can you say that the pomegranate is better than, uh, grapes, or grapes is better than, pomegranates? Pomegranates have its own importance, and grapes is having its own importance. So he's telling that all things, just like the fruits, just like the flowers, okay, they have their all importance in this world. So these things we will have to realize, recognize, and then try to be very much happy in order to live a life very peacefully and happily. So for this all, positivity and optimistic nature is very much important. I will continue the explanation. Okay, thank you very much. All the best. God bless you all.